Just the screen, or is it me? Okay, so we came in this morning and we looked at our patient's chest x-ray and we saw that our ribs were a little bit hyperinflated. So we got with the doctor and decided what changes we were gonna make. Our tidal volume's at 500 together. We decided let's drop that and see if we can help with that expansion. So when we take our tidal volume down, what do we expect to see? What's gonna happen? Well, we know that volume and pressures are directly related, so we know that our pressures will come down. We also know that with changing volume, we're going to change our minute ventilation, right? Because minute ventilation is volume and respiratory rate. So if we drop the volume, our minute ventilation is going to go down. And then lastly, this is going to be a big factor on your blood gases. What's it going to do to your CO2? It's going to go up, it's going to go down. So we're dropping our volume, so our CO2 will rise. So let's go ahead and make the changes and see what happens. So on the bottom, you see I'm turning this little knob and it's making the change. Instead of going up and clicking, we're doing it down here and it's an instant change, just like that. There's no clicking except it instantly goes. You can see we're already down to 405, 402 expiratory, which is great. We can see our peak pressures have came down from 15 to 12. Our mean pressures have came from 3 to 2. And our minute ventilation is dropped from 7.5, all the way down to 6.3. So all the changes we expected have happened. Now we can get a blood gas from our patient, see if our CO2 changed. We can look at our end tidal monitoring, see if our CO2 has changed, and it will also have increased, just like we expected.